Hey, this is Brandon, and I'm going to show you the index checker in SellerSuite. This is a tool that allows you to see whether or not Amazon is indexing your product for whatever keywords you decide to test. If you're not being indexed for a keyword that is relevant to your product, that means that no matter how hard you try, it will be impossible to get ranked and get organic traffic for that keyword, which is why it's so important to always make sure that you're indexed for everything that's relevant to your product. To get here in SellerSuite, click Index Checker and then New Search on the sidebar. Once you're on this page, all you have to do is paste in the ASIN of the product that you're interested in, and then paste in the keywords that you want to test that product for. Now, if I click Check Indexing, the tool will quickly check whether or not Amazon is indexing this product for those keywords, and the results will show up on the page as soon as they come in. You're able to export these results to a CSV if you like, but you also have access to all your past searches in your private search history, which you can access by clicking History and Pinned under Index Checker on the sidebar. If you're checking your own product and you find that you're not indexed for a good keyword, it's important that you try to fix that as quickly as possible so that you can start picking up sales for that keyword. The way to do that is to work that keyword into your listing or backend keyword somewhere. If you do that and you find that you're still not indexed, you may have to move the keyword around to try to get yourself indexed. If it's in your backend and you're not indexed, try putting it in the bullet points. If it's in the product description and you're not indexed, try it in the backend or in the bullet points and so on. If you're persistent with this, you should find that it's pretty easy to get indexed for all your keywords quite quickly. Lastly, it's usually a good idea to run an index check on all your products on a monthly basis at least, because Amazon is constantly changing their algorithms and the way their pages are displayed. So it sometimes happens that your product gets de-indexed and you have to go back and change some things to get Amazon to index it again. Fortunately, the index checker makes it pretty quick and painless to stay up to date. I hope this has been helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us at any time using the Contact Us page in the web app or by emailing us at support@sellersuite.tech, and we'll happily help out in any way we can.